Little marsh pit. This will fill up in winter and it'll be as deep as I am high. This is this high. We've actually been swimming in this pond before when it's been deep in summer, but because that water table's been knocked up, I've had a dry summer this year, dry spring. So yeah, Tess is having a dig up. Hey, come on out there. I'm not having you chasing rats. Heading home now. As you can probably tell, I might want to be a nurture presenter when I'm older. There's that much around my area. You see that? Right there? And all amongst that, I think they come from the other side actually. There is actually a fox den in there. Which is why I keep the ferrets away. I mean, it's normally there'll be pups this time of year. They might be being a bit older now. But I've seen them regularly up here. And all this is absolutely teeming with life. Might even be badgers, I'm not sure, but I know there's definitely deer around here in the other wood with our found foot tracks of deer. Especially those kids, we've got to stop kids from doing that, burning wood in woods. Hey, Taz, you coming? Come on then. Another thing that I see regular around here is kestrels and two red kites. A mating pair that were released from, I think it was Howard House. See them quite regularly, they're massive. I've also seen buzzards and sparrowhawks as well. Tess in the real grass. Oh, Tess, you're being cute. Are you being cute? Are you being cute, eh? Are you being cute? Are you being cute? You want to play? You want to play? You're sulking, man. You're sulking. Having a scratch. Oh, you like that? Oh, we like that. Oh, we like that very much. I'll stop now. I was wondering, oh, where you stopped? There's off the grass again. We've got to stop. I mean, yeah, the kids don't have nothing to do, but there's better things to do than camp around, make fires and drink by the looks of it. This actually used to be a farm before a farmer moved out. Tell you what, when we were younger we used to come up here and we used to find skeletons of pigs. It was disgusting. Could have at least cleaned it all out, you know. It's a biohazard. But it's actually really pretty nowadays. All the oak trees, sycamore. Come on, Tess! Just waiting for Bob. Come on then. And school right nearby. Yeah. Bentley! Are you tired? You're panting? The Bansley's coming on to 8 years old, so he's getting old. Come on. Oh, here comes starlings. Oh, they've got young ones now. You can't see them very well in this camera. See it, baby's following a minute. You can hear baby's calling though. That was very noisy. I once hand-reared one. One that had fallen out of the nest. And we kept it in back garden and we fed it, and its parents actually came in and fed it, and it flew off one day and I was really, really happy. And we were just giving it an extra hand. Parents dive bombed us when we tried to feed it, like, but it was safe in garden and we kept it safe. Little bleeding, noisy little bugger there. Right, I think Tess is trying to tell me something. I think it's time to let Tess off the lead. Yeah. We're going to let you off the lead. Come on then, everyone about. Come on then. No going in people's gardens though. Can't be having that. That's it, when he's off the lead he plays. Just follow him about, make sure I didn't get naughty mischief. Let's go straight for the people's gardens. Taz, come here. No. Come on the field. You know, you've got all this space and you just go in someone's garden. Go on, there's big birds over there. Go chase him. You'll never catch one, like, but you can still chase it. Go on. I'll get you. I'll get you. No, I'm not going that way. He's having a run about. Yeah. He thinks it's all a game, look. Tess, where you going? I'll get you. Come here. Nope, he's off. Come here. I win! I win! Let's get all little bit birds off now. Look! Lots and lots of room. Go play. No! Not coming this way. No! Oh. Over there. What are you doing? I'm gonna get round in before I get stuck bushes. Is this a game? Is this a game? No, you don't. It's having a right off here. Got your tail. Got your tail. Tough nose this way. Come on then. Are you going home? I also chase the dog on my own. That's it. Yeah, on a walk. Oh, he's off. Come on then.